My name is Katie Hannigan. I am a product manager and I've been with TPC for 7 years.
My name is Tyran Westbrook. My position is material handler, and I've been in this position a little bit over a year.
Chris Shaheda, been here 6 years this January, and I'm in inside sales.
TPC has a great culture. I get to come into work every day and I love the job that I do, and I also get to hang out with a lot of people that I've made long-lasting friendships with.
We're just a tight-knit group of people, and it's great working here. I love coming to work because of the people, and the culture here is awesome.
It's very laid back here. We actually have a coworker who sends out the morning laughs, the Calvin and Hobbes, each and every day, just to start the day off on a high note.
It's hard to pick just one favorite memory at TPC. I'd have to say though, my favorite time of the year is during the yearly sales meeting. We fly all the salespeople in, we get to know each other, have a lot of fun. It's very informative. It's just really good for the morale of the company.
Spirit Week. You know, we had a lot of games going on, and it was like huge competition. You know, we are all real close, friendly, so it was very fun. It came down to the wire at the end, and I was a part of the green team, and yeah, it was a lot of fun. Real good, friendly competition.
Well, some of the best events at TPC is our annual softball game. We all get together, we get to go out as competitive from start to finish. We get our personal jerseys with our name and number on the back. It's a great way to have our leadership, sales, warehouse, everybody come together and play in a great game, and then all of us go out afterwards.
I feel valued at TPC because when I sit in meetings and when I talk to anybody here, I feel heard. People listen to my opinions, they value what I have to say. They allow me to make decisions that help the company.
The company picnics, myself and another coworker, we grill out, we listen to music, we play cornhole, and that really brings everybody together.
I have this job in the warehouse, and they actually came to me and encouraged me to apply for it, knowing my skill set, and that made me feel like I was a valuable person to the company for them to come to me and say, hey, maybe you need to look into this opportunity. It could be for you, and that made me feel really good, like I really mean something to the company for them to come to me like that.